Overnight, I left three window AC unit on to see how they perform on the solar setup. This is a 10,200 BTU AC unit and it's on the main living room. This is the only AC that is cooling the place. This 10,200 BTU do a good job keeping the first floor cool. It's around 850 square feet. Keep in mind, this is an old house and there's no insulation in the wall and it's keeping the temperature below 80 degrees. It's currently around 76 degrees in here. We've been going to a heat wave in our area. We still have 2 more days of extreme heat warning, so 76 degrees is better than what it is outside. This is one of the window AC unit upstairs. You can see it's struggling to keep the temperature down. It's settling around 73 degrees. This is the second AC unit upstairs and it's keeping the temperature around 70 degrees. After running all the three window AC unit overnight, the battery percentage did not drop below 60. It's currently 9:50 a.m. and the battery percentage is sitting roughly around 65%. In our case, it is totally possible to keep the area with the window AC unit cool with the solar system during the summer. I wish I had a central AC to perform this test to see how much power it used. I did a rough calculation. All the window AC and everything else that was running overnight consumed around 24 kilowatt hour. I believe with enough solar panel and battery storage, it is possible to run the house off solar during the summer. It's 9:52. This is the first inverter, and the solar panel are keeping up with house demand, and around 1500 watt is going to the battery. This is the second inverter, and over 2600 watt is going to the batteries. During the summer, when nobody's at home, those batteries get fully charged by noon. I started my solar setup with those two batteries. It wasn't enough to run the whole house, but it was a start, then slowly add on to it to what it is now. If I had to start over, I would do it the same way because I only bought what I had the money for at the time. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, you might enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.